Hi, my name is Daniel, and this is Cocolani Gardens. So today we are going to show you how to cut heliconias. So the first thing that we need is a sickle. We prefer the serrated edge sickle. This particular brand has treated us very well. It's called Barnell. So when you come to the patch, you want to find the flower that you want to use. So we do floristry, so I look for a certain angle, a certain amount of bracts open, um, a certain maturity. So once I find that flower, I want to hold the flower, maybe pull it away from all the other foliage and greens so it doesn't get tangled up and damage the actual heliconia. And I want to cut it about 6 inches to a foot up. Now, the reason that I do this is so that this shoot has enough juice and nutrients to feed another offshoot to continue the life of the patch. Now, this particular heliconia is a little big for my liking. You can see as they get more and more bracts, the actual flowers start to get ugly and rotten inside. And that's very hard to clean, which is the major reason why I don't like to use very big heliconias. Now, this specific variety is Manoa Sunrise. A lot of different color, red, green, some yellow. It works well with a lot of other flowers. So if you like heliconias, you like gingers, and all the different species, please follow us, subscribe below, help us out so we can continue to support this community, grow more flowers, and help each other out.